Most people think building a custom AI expert takes a team, a budget, and a few weeks. I'm going to build one in 10 seconds, put it to work, then share it with my whole team, all in the time it takes to read one email. Open a fresh workspace on CharmIQ. That's the whole first step. Now, what kind of expert do you actually need? Today, I need a sales email specialist who writes compelling cold emails for any product or service. So I type exactly that into the workspace. Notice I didn't write a prompt, I didn't Google best practices, I just said what I needed in plain English. Now I call in my charm building specialist. Click the green arrow or type @charm building specialist. A few seconds later, the full job description lands on the page. Expertise in cold outreach, persuasive copywriting, conversion psychology, proven frameworks like ADA and PASS. The works. Read it over, tweak anything, delete what doesn't fit. Pay attention to this part, it still gets me every time. While it was writing that role, it also created the charm and dropped it straight into my panel. Sales email specialist, live, ready to work. Isn't that unbelievable? No configuration screen, no setup wizard. Done. One important note, every charm runs on a model. Think of it as the brain powering your expert. The default is Claude Sonnet 4.6, but open the config and you'll see the full menu. GPT, Gemini, Kimi, Perplexity, and more. Different brains bring different strengths. Swap them anytime. Time to give my new hire a real task. I'm clearing all this, titling the workspace Cold Emails Charm IQ Pitch, and dropping in a simple request. Write a cold email to small business owners introducing Charm IQ. Keep it short, keep it conversational. But before I generate anything, I'm going to add the Charm IQ overview to the context material panel. This is the important bit. It's the difference between a generic email and one that actually knows what it's selling. Now, I finish my prompt, point the agent at that reference, and tag @sales email specialist. And there it is. Subject line, a hook, 3 crisp benefits pulled straight from the overview, a soft CTA, even a PS about data privacy. Ready to send. Don't like a line? Edit it. The workspace behaves like a Google Doc. Cursor goes anywhere, change anything. Now, want a fresh angle on the same task? Swap the brain. I'm switching my sales email specialist over to Gemini Pro. Before I regenerate, I'm moving my cursor above the first response. That way, the new version isn't influenced by what came before. It's a genuinely fresh take on the same prompt. I tag the agent again. New email, different opener, different rhythm, different hook. 2 emails, same expert, 2 brains. And now you've got real material to compare, which is where your own thinking starts to sharpen. Pull the strongest lines from each, mix them, rewrite the close. The sky really is the limit. One more thing, and honestly, this is the shift that changes how you work. Don't stop at one specialist. For every recurring task, build the expert. A sales email specialist for cold outreach, a YouTube strategist for video, a research analyst for due diligence. Each one sharper than asking a single generalist to do all 3. And if you're working with a team, share them. Head to the Charms page, find the agent, click the 3 dots, choose Share, and type in your teammate's email. Honestly, super simple. Sharing multiple charms? Here's the fastest way. Use a folder, multi-select and move to folder. To share it with your team, open the folder, click the share icon, type your teammate's email, and anything you drop into that folder, charms, documents, reference materials, it all flows to them automatically. On their side, 3 dots, import, and the charm lives in their panel like they built it themselves. So that's the whole workflow. Describe the expert you need, get the expert, feed it context, compare brains, share with your team. You stop prompting an AI and start directing a roster of specialists, each one tuned to a specific job. The expert team you've always wanted. No payroll, no onboarding, no meetings. Go build yours at CharmIQ. Until next time, happy charming!